Hi, and welcome to our very first junior measurement video. In this video, we're going to introduce what measurement is all about. Measurement is a strand of mathematics that involves measuring the size or the amount of something. While you work through the mathematics classroom and in science and quite a few of your other areas of studies, you're going to focus on a lot of the following measurements. We can measure things like length and areas and volume and time and capacity, mass and weight, temperature, and rates. So these are quite a few of the common measurements that you'll hit in the classrooms while you work your way through college. But in the real world, there are a lot more measurements and a lot more things we can measure. Now let's get into each of these in a bit more detail. Length. Length is a measurement of the distance between 2 points. As an example, the average person has a stride length of around about 80 centimeters. Area. Area is a measurement, and it's the measurement of the amount of space that is inside a 2D shape, a flat shape. How much space is inside a flat shape? Did you know that the land area of China and the United States of America is almost identical? They've got the same, almost the same amount of land area. However, China's got about 1.4 billion people living in it, and the United States of America has 330 million people. Right, volume. Volume is a measurement of the amount of space that's inside a 3D shape. This is the Great Pyramid of Giza, and it's the biggest pyramid in the world. They believe a typical block used to build the Great Pyramid has a volume of 1 meter cubed, which, if you think about a cube, is 1 meter long by 1 meter wide by 1 meter high. There are approximately 2.5 million blocks used to build that pyramid. Right, time. Time's a measurement of how long or the interval between two events. Now, something probably not many of us knew, that it actually takes 23 hours, 56 minutes, and 4.2 seconds for the Earth to rotate around its axis once. But that's an awfully difficult day, so scientists have decided to round it to 24 hours in a day. Right, capacity. Capacity is a measurement of how much liquid fits inside a three-dimensional shape. As an example, an average adult has a capacity of about 5 litres of blood in their body. Right, mass. Mass is a measurement that determines how heavy an object is. Weight is a combination of mass and gravity. We're going to chat later on in our videos on mass and weight. A lot of people still say things like, how much do you weigh? When they shouldn't be saying that. They should say, what is your mass? The mass of the Earth, by scientists' estimation, is approximately, this is a big number, 5 septillion 972 hexillion kilograms. Yeah, I could pick that up easy. Right, temperature is a measurement that determines how hot or cold an object is. Did you know the maximum temperature ever recorded on the planet of Earth by modern instruments was recorded in California in 1913 at 56.7 degrees Celsius? And finally, a rate. A rate is a comparison of two measurements that have different units. For example, speed is a rate because it measures distance versus time. And Usain Bolt is the fastest male on this planet. He's run the 100 meters in 9.58 seconds, which means his average rate is 10.44 meters per second. Right, well, measurement, we have the old system, the imperial system, and the new system we use today called the metric system. The new system basically takes these three words, meters, grams, and liters, and adds in these prefixes of milli, centi, and kilo, and other words we'll talk about as we go on. You can see here that most countries in the world have adopted the new metric system, with a few still using the old imperial system. Right, well, that's us for our first video. Thanks for watching.